Leaders' questions, I'd like to make a short statement. In recent times, we have witnessed an alarming rise in the serious threats and online abuse directed at a significant number of members of the Houses of the Oireachtas, of all parties and none, a phenomenon that can no longer be ignored. Not alone does it affect us as members, but also a significant percentage of our population. This abuse often emanates from unverified profiles on various online platforms which facilitate unsavoury discourse and foster unhealthy narratives that bear little resemblance to fact or reality. In my capacity as Ceann Comhairle, I have a duty to safeguard both this Assembly, its members and the wider public interest. This chamber must remain a secure environment for the conduct of parliamentary business. In addition to my concern for current members, I am concerned that this environment may deter decent people from entering public life. If we allow a culture of fear and intimidation to take root, we risk losing the very essence of democratic representation. It is incumbent upon us all to collectively defend the integrity of political debate and cultivate an environment that encourages participation without fear or reprisal. We must create a space where diverse views can be expressed safely and openly. Whilst the report commissioned from the Task Force of Safe Participation in Public Life 2024 identified pertinent issues, in my view, it now needs to be supplemented by concrete legislative proposals. The experiences of our counterparts in the UK, US and other democratic jurisdictions serve as a stark reminder of the potential consequences of inaction. We are not insulated from this global trend, and in the words of Barack Obama, our democracy is threatened when we take it for granted. I am therefore requesting a meeting with all party and group leaders with a view to formulating an appropriate consensus response to deal with this issue. Our constitutional obligations require us to protect our people from unjust attack, and we have a collective responsibility to uphold these principles. The challenges posed by social media platforms demand our immediate and cross-party attention. We must collaborate to protect the integrity of our political discourse, a commitment to discourse that is rigorous yet fair, impassioned yet principled, and consistently respectful is essential. As we embark on this term, I urge all members to reflect on the tone and tenure of deliberations. Thank you, members. And just before I